Earlier when Ryan was there, you touched his neck.
Can you touch my neck again? Or touch my arms? That's all I ask. Am I a cousin or something?
Yes. All right. What I want you to do is you're going to ask 3 questions. After your first question, I want you to count 15 seconds in your head. Ask your second. All right. What I want you to do is you're going to ask 3 questions. After your first question, I want you to count 15 seconds in your head. Ask your second question. After your first question, I want you to count 15 seconds in your head. Ask your second question. Count 15 seconds in your head.
What do you want? I'm gonna stay back here, by the way. You could touch me if you want. Just please don't pinch me. That hurts me. Forward. All right. Somebody just whispered in my.
Randy. Randy.
It said stroke.
When I
Oh, I thought
first
it
came
said
here,
strong.
when I
Oh, I
first
thought it
came
said
here,
strong.
when I first came here by myself, I was like, I introduced myself as like the proper way, and it's like, welcome in, Chris, and I was like,
Whose
"Oh."
phone is this?
It could
I
be
think it's
Steven's.
It's Steven's phone.
Steven and
wife.
Mellon's phone.
Really quick.
Is anybody in that car over there?
No,
No.
that car's been locked up.
That was crazy. Could it have been a cat?
No, the
It's
cat.
either a cat or a kid.
No,
It was like
Can you make sure?
Are you seeing
Yeah.
something over there?
Can you make sure
No,
that
we were
the
hearing
car's locked up?
screaming. I know.
no, the screaming was coming from back there. Like it sounded like the other.
Come pick on me, and I don't think I didn't get pinched, but I do want to hear, see if we captured anything. And then again, I say, who are you? Who are you? The devil.
Oh,
Satan. Satan.
You hear Satan?
The devil.
Satan, then the devil.
Right there, Satan.
The devil.
It told us to get the fuck out over there.
Yeah, it told us it's the devil. I just got the devil. So that's not the devil. That's just a punk spirit. Watch your.
Goodbye. It's not really?
It's not really the devil. No.
Okay. It's a spirit would want to make fun.
It's trying to intimidate us. Now I've had a
Demon?
I've an attachment before,
Oh, really?
and it is not good. But that is not.
Oh, you can tell the difference.
100%. That is not what it says it is. It is trying to scare us though.
Mm-hmm. When you got the attachment, what happened? How did you get rid of it?
I had to go see somebody to go get rid of it.
Yeah.
An actual full on cleansing. It was 3 days of probably 3 of the worst days of my life. Like everything was happening to me. And I had a thing come off the shelf and smash me in my face, broke my tooth, had to get stitches in my front lip. I had nightmares.
In the backyard.
Oh,
He
really?
didn't know how to talk.
Yeah?
So he was 2 years old and he would talk. But he couldn't talk and he said, so what is Ryan looking at? And then we put him on the other side of it and he went back talking to them.
That's amazing.
Then later I show a picture of my mother and you see, Ryan, do you see this?
That's her. He recognized her.
In the backyard. And then when we went to visit my mother at the cemetery, he didn't know. He ran in front of us and stopped right on the grave.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's
And then my sister passed away, and he was very close to him. And he said to my daughter, his mother, I saw Nana saying goodbye to me. He came in my dreams. He didn't know she had died. He said, what did he say to you, Ryan? He said, oh, hi, Ryan, how are you? And what did he say? Fine. And then she said bye, and she left. and she had died that night.
Oh
and
my
he didn't
goodness.
know. So that's why we know that he always had that.
Yeah, children even more. They're
Not
so
Jay.
connected.
It was Ryan. Ryan, because they're twins.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Twins. But Ryan was the one who we see.
Yes, there's a child spirit on there.
So he sees things here, but he said he's not afraid. I'm afraid. And I love the shows. But he's not.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bro, that shit is hot.
Thank you.
Bro, that shit is hot right there. It's this right here.
I just got
Thank you.
Bro, that shit is hot right there. It's this right here.
Thank you.
Bro, that shit is hot right there. It's this right here. You're not gonna scare us. We're here with good intentions. We just want to speak to you. We don't. You're not gonna scare us. Sorry. Whoa, dude.
Can you make it go up like that and it'll go?
Nope. On this train, is there something you want to tell them? They're here to visit you. They're here to visit you.
go to.
Bro, they're like, all right, we're out of here. We're out of here.
Can you make it go put
Fucking bang in there?
I heard the bang. So that's where I said that I just got when I was sitting there. It's
Yeah, let's turn it off for a second.
2, 3.
Brady Steven.
Let's start that.
Qualified.
Is there somebody here that you want to speak to? Give me a name.
That was that.
That you want to speak to. Give me a name.
Nothing. I'm not gonna have anything on mine, but try it.
Somebody said they heard Teresa.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Leave here.
Oh,
Leave here.
nice.
Somebody here that you want to speak to. Give me a name.
Brandon.
Brandon.
There are
That's
Brandon
crazy.
or Lauren here.
That's crazy. They wouldn't even say that out
Yeah.
there. This just said give me a name.
Yeah.
That was
I mean
insane.
that's the randomness of that
Face.
happening.
All right. So we know you're not a devil. Who are you? Are you just trying to scare us?
That was me.
You got a tapping?
Is there somebody here that you want to? Somebody here
You got a little further?
that you want to speak? Somebody here.
Oh, you went
Yeah.
We're still tapping.
Thank you.
And your
Was that-
go-to just said top.
Damn.
Can you tell us if you just touched that?
What was that right
Tapped
there at
again.
the end?
A bunch of that was probably me moving to the button. There's nothing on there.
Did you just tap here? Can you tap again, please? I'm gonna set this recorder right here in this
I'm telling
chair.
you what we did, or
Or not.
Investigation alone, literally just
Is that you?
Okay. I'm going to do another session, guys. Lisa, do you want to bring yours in here?
Could it be my sensitivity level?
You know what? I'm gonna go to the other side of the train.
I noticed my sensitivity level was on 3.
Okay, Steven.
I need to change that.
All right, set it in here in this chair. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's walk out.
Can you check yours when you have a second?
Okay, so here's your chance to really tell us who you are. You're in that room alone by yourself. I want you to come through. I want you to tell us who you are once and for all, please.
Homeless.
Do you want us to leave, yes or no?
Come here. Come here.
I want you to give us a name. Who do you see here all the time?
Bride.
Do you know what?
There's something there.
I'm here?
Oh,
Oh, come here.
Chris. Is that your name?
Yes, it is.
It gave your name. Your name's Chris?
Yes, my name is Chris. And
It gave your
And
name.
you asked, was he?
I said, do you know what his name is?
Can you show yourself?
Wow.
Chris. No.
That's awesome.
Who's that?
What did you ask?
No, I didn't ask anything.
What the fuck?
There's still got to be a kid
Did somebody just
outside.
get scared?
No, that was not like a joking scream.
No, somebody got
So
scared.
we have a whisper right here. A very clean whisper.
Oh, is that no?
No or now.
What was the
I can't make it
question?
out. What is his name?
Oh,
To your left.
no.
No.
It was a no. We don't know what your name is.
What is that? Yeah, there's a beeping.
Yeah, I heard that earlier actually.
Okay.
It's like a different car.
I had mine all the way on the other side.
You got something on the other side?
Yeah, I mean, let's see if there's anything on there.
What was that? What was that?
Open or help me?